Hey everyone, welcome to this course. In the last few sessions, we understood what and how about the agent and agentic frameworks and the architecture. In this session specifically, we are going to talk about the deployment process and maintaining the core infrastructure around the agentic application. We are going to touch base upon the AgentCore. Let's check it out what it is. So AgentCore is more towards a managed runtime to build, connect and operate agent with security and scale, handling connectivity, tool security and scalability concerns. So all in all, it's an infrastructure platform where you are going to deploy your single agentic workflow or multi-agentic complex workflow as well. What all features it offers? Let's check it out very quickly. So you can build and deploy any agentic framework using the AgentCore. So that is agent agnostic forking model, which supports for long-term async tools with any framework or any model. It provides a great connectivity and security, which handles connectivity, tool security, and scaling concerns automatically. On top of that, it also supports your MCP as well as agent-to-agent compatibility as well, while deploying using the AgentCore via the CLI with minimal code, which is compatible with MCP as well as A2A, meaning agent-to-agent protocol as well. It also offers a service-linked role for workload identity. Structure this out and understand how this entire component look like. So we have our agent and tools. Once we have that, we need to define our runtime layer, and on top of that we have a security layer, and which again orchestrate with the data layer at the end. So this provides a complete package of your infrastructure grid where you are going to deploy your enterprise grade production level of applications. So AgentCore all in all provides you a secure serverless runtime designed specifically for running AI agents in real world application with built-in identity and observability. As we discussed, AgentCore provides us the framework agnostic support, meaning run agents from popular OSS framework without rewrite. So you don't need to worry about whether you have developed the agent using Crawl AI, LangGraph or using the Strengths CDK tool. Anything can be deployed easily on the AgentCore. So you can easily correlate the Agentic Core framework with our Docker and Kubernetes framework for deployment purpose. Let's break it down with the definition here. It says that run agent from popular OSS framework without rewrites, maintaining flexibility across different agent architecture. Bring your framework irrespective of whether you have developed using Strands, LangGraph, Crawl AI or Llama Index. It is model agnostic, meaning via Bedrock or any external adapter works perfectly with it as well. This is the most important use case when it comes to the onboarding process. So it accelerates your onboarding process with sample SDK wrapper available, and along with that it keeps your prototype logic intact. So as you can see on the right hand side, the Crawl AI, the LangGraph and the Strands, whatever you develop with the framework, your agentic workflow, you can use the Agentic Core runtime and deploy your application without worrying about security and scale at the same point. Let's quickly touch upon on the security and identity provisioning. Let's touch base real quick on the security and identity provisioning. So according to the definition, inbound authentication for agent plus outbound authentication for tools and API with secure credential management. You can achieve the inbound authentication as well as the outbound authentication for tools and API using the AgentCore framework. IAM, Sign4 or JWT barrier. So you can choose one per runtime, IAM or JWT for agent authentication. You can provide a right set of permission for invoking agent runtime for user using the Agentic Core as well. If you provide the credentials, Agentic Core framework will handle that very nicely and fetch user consented token for external tool access as well. It is well versed with deriving the user ID, the same point of time restricting IAM roles, and make sure that all your logs are properly audited using the CloudTrail. On top of that, it provides the monitoring and tracing framework as well, which is much needed when it is a production grade application. It provides you the ecosystem for end-to-end observability for AI agents with OTEL trace metrics and log for production monitoring. Isn't it a complete package of deploying our agentic and multi-agentic framework on a production grade systems? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box. I hope you got the understanding about the AgentCore and all the key features it provides. According to me, it is a perfect deployment service provided by AWS for agentic workflow and multi-agentic workflow complex systems for the production grade enterprise level of application. Hope you got the crux, and do let me know if there is any specific question which you want me to help you out with. Thank you so much for joining me here. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, let's learn together and grow together.